Recover Roblox Account Without Email or Password, 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account even if you don't have access to your email or password. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox website or app. Step 1. Go to Forgot Password page. On the login screen, tap on Forgot Passwords or Username. This will take you to the recovery page. Step 2. Try phone number recovery. If linked, if you added a phone number to your account, select Phone Number option. Enter your number and request a code. Use the code to reset your password. Step 3. Contact Roblox support, main method. If you don't have email or phone access, this is your best option. Go to the Roblox support page. Fill out the form with your username, device details, approximate account creation date. Explain that you don't have access to your email or password. Step 4. Verify ownership. Roblox may ask for proof that the account is yours, such as purchase receipts, Robux transactions, previous passwords, linked device info. Provide as much accurate information as possible. Important note, without verification, Roblox will not recover the account for security reasons, so make sure your details are correct. Bonus tip. Once you recover your account, add a verified email, link your phone number, enable two-step verification. This will prevent future issues. And that's it! Now you know how to recover your Roblox account without email or password. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.